Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. When you arrive at the homepage, you will notice a clear option to log in near the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing the content management features of your site. Once you have located the login button, click on it to proceed to the authentication screen. In this screen, you will have the opportunity to sign in using your existing Google account by selecting the option labeled Continue with Google. Choose your preferred account from the list that appears. This method utilizes your Google credentials to streamline the login process and ensures you quickly gain access without having to remember any additional passwords. After you have successfully logged in, you will need to move on to managing your posts, which is where you can update various elements of your website. To do this, locate the Posts section within your WordPress dashboard. You will typically see a menu item or link labeled Posts, and by clicking on it, you will be presented with a list of your site's posts. Be aware that your site might be hosted under a domain name similar to testaccount142.wordpress based on your setup, and you should follow the navigation as displayed on your screen. When you have accessed the list of posts, it is time to make some changes to one of them. First, you will need to click on the Edit option associated with the post you want to modify. This action will open the post's editing interface where you have the ability to adjust content, headings, images, and metadata as necessary. Within the editing interface, direct your attention to the featured image area, which is clearly visible as part of the post's layout. Featured images are important because they visually represent your post, so any change here can have a significant impact on your site's appearance. Click on the current featured image to begin the process of updating it. After selecting the featured image, you will notice an option to replace this image. Click on the Replace button to initiate the replacement procedure. Doing so will prompt WordPress to offer you additional options related to media management. At this stage, you will be taken to a screen where you can view your media library. This area holds all the visual content that you have previously uploaded to your site, and it is here that you can select a new photo to serve as your featured image. Browse through your media library and choose the image that best fits the new look you wish to convey for your post. Once you have selected your preferred photo, the next step is to confirm this choice by clicking on Set Featured Image. This action assigns the selected image as the new visual highlight for your post. Finally, ensure that all your changes are recorded by clicking on Save. This last step commits your modifications to the post, updating the content on your live site. By following these detailed instructions, you have successfully learned how to modify the featured image on a WordPress post. Each step is designed to guide you clearly through the process, ensuring that you are comfortable with every action you take to update your content within WordPress. Enjoy the new look of your post and continue exploring the many features offered by WordPress for managing your website.